Hey folks, hey everyone on the internet, YouTube, Instagram. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. I just got these in. This is Smith & Wesson Custom USA stag horn. I haven't done anything to these knives yet, but it says, Smith & Wesson Custom USA on it. It's got the brass handguard, brass pommel, which I'm going to polish up, and I'm going to clean up the stag horn a little bit. And there's that one little spot right there on the blade that I'm going to fix. But I love this drop point. It's good for cutting. I like this little divot. I like the shape of this blade. And it's got, like finger grooves in there. And it's got a really nice sheath. Thick leather. Made in USA. The knife and the sheath are both made in USA. But now I'm going to clean them up and get them to looking even better. Wipe that off. And then I've got this 146th anniversary stag horn. Mamma Jamma here. I've done nothing to this one either. 146th anniversary. It's got the blue and gold Smith & Wesson colors. This is number 28. They made 100 of these, and this is number 28. I'm going to polish up the brass handguard. It's got a big old honking stag crown handle, as you can see, and I think it's a 10-inch blade, if I'm not mistaken, 10 1/4. But it's in really good shape. I'm going to make it look a little bit better, though. I already cleaned it up, but I haven't, polished the brass or got the little impurities out of it. But this is a really nice sheath, too. It's got the big Smith & Wesson. It's got the silver Smith & Wesson snap. That's how you can tell they're always made in USA. It's got the made in USA on it, too. But I'm going to go and clean these up and polish them, get the impurities out of them, and then I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I'm back. And it looks much better. That little divot that was on the blade is gone. Polished up the brass. Cleaned up the handle. Got the pommel. Yeah, and of course, cleaned up the sheath and polished the snap on the sheath. It's still a little wet from the leather cleaner I used, but it's looking good. Cleaned the sheath on this one, polished up the snap. It looks way better. It's still a little wet, but way better. The knife. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Cleaned it up. 146th anniversary, 1952, 1998. These are all made in the USA. Everything here, all these Smith & Wesson knives are made in the USA. From ginormous bowies to custom USA jobs to the sheaths. That's why they're so high quality. Put the sheath in there. You can see it right there. This one in the sheath. Oh, and these are razor sharp too. Like this big bowie knife, forget about it. It is razor sharp. You can accidentally get cut when you're cleaning them. I didn't this time, but when I first started out working on knives and guns and stuff, I did. And to, I think the snaps, yeah, I think it's about the same size. This one's a little bit bigger, the S&W logo. But two very well made knives. Two very well made knives. Just try it out. Look at the edge on that thing. Incredible. I've got some more knives I'm going to do some videos on and keep adding to it. Maybe do another video on a range video on the 629 Smith & Wesson that I customized. Show you guys the beauty of that. Let's look at the edge on that thing. It shines like new money. Divot is gone. As if it never was there. That, whip that off a little bit, is that. Thanks for watching, folks. You guys have a good one.